Hello viewers, this is the OnePlus Bullet Z, the latest and the cheapest from OnePlus. And in this video I'm gonna review it. Okay, without wasting time, let's begin. It has features like low latency mode, quick switch, magnetic control, IP55 sweat and water resistant, Bluetooth 5 and all that stuffs. You can check out the specs on their official website. Links are added in description. I'm not gonna read out all the features. This video is about how it performs in daily usage and my raw thoughts on this product. Before that, just take a quick look what's in the box. So it has extra two pair of buds, one small Type-C data cable and the earphone itself. Okay, let's talk about how it performs. The Type-C ports support fast web charging, but for that you need OnePlus adapter. With OnePlus adapter, the charging speed is blazing fast. I've charged it for 15 to 20 minutes and it gave me around 15 to 16 hours of backup in my 2 days of usage. For normal adapter, I'll update later in description. It has 3 buttons to control music, volume plus, minus and play pause button. And the power button also supports quick switching between paired devices. This means you can switch to your multiple devices by tapping the power button twice. Now the most important features, that is call quality, music and latency in gaming. Let me rate this on the scale of 10. On the scale of 10, call quality I would say 8 by 10. Obviously it's clear and crisp, but has no noise cancellation. Because of that it collects noise and you might face little bit of wind noise while riding your bike. But I would say it's still good in this price segment. Don't expect too much. For music it's 10 on 10. Okay, let's break it into two parts. First bass and the second is overall experience. Okay, let's talk about bass. For bass it's 7 by 10. Look, I'm a bass lover. I was using Sony MDR XB55AP wired earphone just for the extra bass. This thing is the best for bass lovers. You can check out in the review of Sony MDR. Link added in description. Or on Amazon, everyone just love that A+ bass quality. Okay, if I compare Bullet Z with Sony MDR, I would say Bullet Z has B+ bass, but with some tweaks in equalizer you can achieve that A rated bass, not the A+ like Sony MDR. But still I'm comparing a wireless earphone with wired earphone. But as a wireless earphone, the 9.2mm dynamic driver delivers respectable bass output. So the overall music experience, it's 10 on 10. Because the sound clarity and surround feels perfect. Now the gaming part. As the OnePlus claims, it supports low latency mode under Fnatic mode in OnePlus 5 and above devices. So I've tested this on OnePlus 5, OnePlus 7 Pro, iPhone XS Max and on Windows laptop. So the results are, in OnePlus 5 it has little less delay in Fnatic mode as compared to normal mode, but it's not working properly. In OnePlus 5, if you play games like PUBG and COD, you can easily notice the delay even in Fnatic mode. It's like 200 ms. But in iPhone and OnePlus 7 Pro, things are totally different. It works like a charm in OP7 Pro under Fnatic mode. It has the latency but very less, that is around 100 or 110 ms. But still, if you are a serious gamer, you don't wanna miss that 50 ms of footsteps in PUBG, then I would recommend to stick with wired earphone. And if you are a casual gamer, you would love the low latency mode. It works really good. The same case with iPhone. And with Windows PC, I have played GTA offline and online. It works really good. The latency is around 100 or 110 ms, same as Fnatic mode. No issue in PC gaming. That's all for this video guys. If you like my work, then please hit the subscribe button and also like this video to motivate me for creating more content like this. Just keep supporting and I'll keep making more awesome contents. This is Technophile. Thanks for watching.